Here's a step-by-step guide on how to design a modern brand identity and brand style guide. 1. Define your brand's personality and values. Start by clearly defining your brand's personality, values, and unique selling points. This will serve as the foundation for your brand identity and guide the design process. 2. Research your target audience and competitors. Conduct thorough research on your target audience and competitors to understand their preferences, design trends, and market positioning. This will help you create a brand identity that stands out and resonates with your target audience. 3. Create a brand logo. Design a modern and visually appealing logo that represents your brand's identity. Consider using clean lines, minimalistic elements, and a balanced color palette to achieve a modern look. Ensure that your logo is versatile and can be used across different platforms and sizes. 4. Choose a color palette. Select a modern color palette that aligns with your brand's personality and values. Consider using a combination of bold and muted colors to create visual interest. Ensure that the colors you choose are consistent with your brand's identity and evoke the desired emotions. 5. Select typography. Choose modern and legible fonts that reflect your brand's personality. Consider using a combination of serif and sans serif fonts to create a balanced and contemporary look. Ensure that the typography is consistent across all brand materials. 6. Design supporting visuals. Create supporting visuals such as patterns, icons, and illustrations that complement your brand's identity. These visuals should be consistent with your color palette and typography, adding depth and visual interest to your brand identity. 7. Develop brand guidelines. Create a comprehensive brand style guide that outlines the rules and guidelines for using your brand identity consistently. Include specifications for logo usage, color codes, typography, and guidelines for visual elements. This will ensure that your brand is presented consistently across all touchpoints. 8. Apply the brand identity. Implement your brand identity across various touchpoints, including your website, social media profiles, marketing materials, and packaging. Ensure that the design elements are applied consistently and reflect the modern and cohesive look of your brand. 9. Seek feedback and iterate. Show your brand identity and style guide to a group of trusted individuals, such as colleagues or potential customers, and gather their feedback. Use this feedback to make necessary adjustments and improvements to your brand identity. 10. Evolve and adapt. As your brand grows and evolves, periodically review and update your brand identity to stay relevant and aligned with your target audience's preferences and market trends. We design creative, Good luck with your brand design platform. process. Develop clean and responsive modern bussiness website. Design professional responsive website. Design Figma website UI, UX, XD, WIX, SaaS, PSD web mockup and landing page. Redesign WordPress. We also design Shopify dropshipping store, dashboard, mobile app. I will design and build mobile and user-friendly website. There are many customers all over the world reviewed after receiving my products. Please read my reviews to know what other clients think of me. I am very confident in my ability to provide you more than 200% of the product value as which you pay to me. See the link below for more detail. Your satisfaction is my happiness.